Good day to drive, especially in this 2021 Ford F-150 XLT with white exterior, black interior, seating for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 3.5-liter Ecoboost V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Desirable features include spray and bed liner, trailer tow package, power adjustable pedals, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle, would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website island4.ca. We'll be so happy to have you here. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 3.5-liter Ecoboost V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors, grab handle in the body. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar, carpet and mats on the floor, your electronic parking brake and light controls. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, lane keeping assist, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touch screen with your 4-pass connect system with AM/FM satellite radio, navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and other functions. And we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. Above it, your traction control, hazard light. You can have a view of your camera without backing up, and your auto start and stop. To the left, your Pro Trailer backup assist. Below it, your integrated trailer brake controller and 4x4 modes with your trailer lock. You've got your volume and tuner and media controls, your dual climate control system with heated seats, air conditioning, defrost, and other functions. Room for storage below, USB and USB-C charging ports, your gear shift dial that can be folded down when you're done driving or folded up when you want to drive, 2 cup holders, a console with storage below and USB-C charging ports, 12 volt and 120 volt outlets, 2 glove compartments, sun visors, sunglass holder, rear window control, and your light controls. 18-inch wheels, running boards, body color door handles with intelligent access, keyless entry pad, privacy glass at the back windows, capless easy fuel filler on the driver's side. In the rear, you've got a high mount light, and your backup camera would be above the Ford badging. Your box is 6.5 foot long. Trailer tow hitch, sensors on the back bumper, and pin connectors. To open your tailgate, just press the button below. You've got a tailgate assist and an extra step. And here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, 120 volt outlet and lightning to enhance your nighttime visibility when you're putting stuff in the cargo area. And when you're done, just lift your door up and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience, grab handle in the body. The seating is for 3, and you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats up. To do so, just fold your seat up, and when you're done, pull the tab and fold your seat down. Anchors to tether baby seat, carpet and mats on the floor, slim pockets behind the front seats, 2 cup holders, your air vents and a 12 volt outlet, 120 volt outlet and USB-C charging ports, grab handle behind the driver's seat, hooks and dome light, and your rear powered window. Backup camera in the rear, 6.5 feet box, running boards, privacy glass at the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal and blind spot monitoring, halogen headlights and fog lights, tow hooks, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at island4.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.